Hey guys, welcome back. I think I'm calling it. Winter's over. We haven't had snow on the ground or measurable snow for a week, week and a half. Although we did get an inch and a half over the weekend, but that's gone, as you see behind me. It melted within a day, day and a half. But I think winter's done. I don't think we're going to get any more measurable snow. Probably going to kick myself for this, because typically April, usually we get a good dump. Usually early April, 10, 12, 13 inches, who knows. That's the way it's been the last couple years. But what do you think? Is winter done? Are you guys done getting snow where you're at? I'm going to use the Kioti tractor today and get the Plow MVP Plus out of my shop and put it away for storage for the winter, summer. Use the tractor, get the sandbags out of the way, and then we'll get the Plow out of the shop and put it in the shed for the summer. So it's out of my way, out of sight, out of mind. Stick around, let me know what you think in the comments about winter being done, and hope you enjoy. This is one of the reasons why I love having a tractor. Grab the pallet, bring it right up to where I need to throw stuff, and throw these sandbags right on it. And the tractor has no trouble picking them up. I only use sandbags in the winter when I'm plowing for the most part, for counterbalance on the plow. There. Get this out of the way. Alright, so we got the plow back in its hibernation location for the summer. It's in a covered shed here, a 12 by 20 shed. We stored it here last year in the same location, same mechanism on its roller stand, so if I really need to move it, I can. I've got this in its spot right now. I'm going to probably try and get it on the back side at some point. This is a addition from the back of the four-wheeler for going ice fishing and stuff. But that's it for this video. If you liked it, hit the subscribe button or hit the like button and then hit the subscribe button if you want to watch some more. Leave a comment in the comment section about what you think about me calling winter over. Do you guys still have winter where you're at, or do you even get snow where you're located? Again, thank you, and we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.